Welcome back, everybody. We're still here, and we live in a climate where it's always swimsuit season. Whether it's winter or summer, we have the beach and we can go anytime we're ready. And here to show us her latest swimsuit collection is Daniela Stone, owner of DTS Designs. Good morning, Daniela.
Morning.
All right, so I hear that you've only been about this for 2 years.
2 years.
How did you start?
Well, I went to university and I did a marketing degree, and then after leaving university, I decided to get a skill and make clothes for myself because I couldn't find clothing to fit my body type. So that's how I started.
Yeah, so it's funny because people think that once you go to university, you have to get stuck in the thing that you were going to university for.
Yes.
But you just used that
For
to
my
help
business.
this.
Yes.
For your skill. All right, so I know that you have some wonderful models with you this morning.
Yeah.
I'm not going to let us wait because this is what we're here for, to see these
All right,
wonderful,
let's go.
awesome clothes. So let's invite our first model out and take a look at our first swimsuit design. All right, fringe is in. Tell us a little bit about this outfit.
Well, this piece was done for Moda Market, and it was inspired by the fringe, of course. And fringe is always a trend for me, I believe. So yes.
Fringe is in. Yes, and of course, the blue is always working for them because the blue is very pretty.
Thank you.
Where do you have a store located? I know you have a store.
Well, we have a store in Half a Tree, Central Plaza, shop number 5.
Shop number 5.
Shop number 5.
And our next model is coming out, so we can take a look at this swimsuit.
All right, this is a piece from our latest collection. It's called Coral Reef.
The collection's name is Coral Reef.
No, the piece.
This piece is called Coral Reef. Okay.
Yes, and it was inspired by the reef,
collection?
of course. The name of the collection, I don't remember the name of the collection, but the name of the piece is Coral Reef.
All right, and that's a little peekaboo thing going on
Yes,
there.
at the front and at the back.
Okay.
So we can't show the back.
All right, we can't show the back this morning. Okay, well, we're loving that one. And the
Thank
cover-ups
you.
are also made by you,
Made
yes?
by me and available in stores.
And one of the things that we should tell everybody is Daniela makes her own swimsuits. It's not that she have 50,000 people that work for her. She actually sews them and put individual love and everything into them.
Okay.
So this one is hot pink.
Yeah, this is called Ruby, and this is from the latest collection as well.
Are the accessory pieces removable?
No, it's not.
Okay, so must go now. Oh, that is definitely a piece that I go into a party in.
Yes.
Coming now going to water with the piece them around the back. So that is a party piece right there.
Yes.
That is for you to go to your BTS weekend and your blue weekend and your dream weekend yes, definitely so. All right, our next piece is nice. I love the cover up.
It's a simple white monokini with a kaftan cover.
What you call it, a kaftan?
Kaftan cover.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
You know, everybody don't want to be revealing. Some people want a cover.
Most definitely, there are people who would prefer a cover up.
Yes.
And our next model is going to show us is this our last or second to last piece?
This is our last piece.
Okay. And this was my favorite when I saw it.
This is from the collection as well. This name, Ready or Not? Ready or Not, yes. And then I created a cover for it for
the cover up is actually the part of it that inspires me the most because it has this African print thing going on at the top.
Yes.
That's very cute. And of course you can remove the cover up.
Yes.
But if you want to go party and cute out like that, then that's fine too, right?
Yes.
All right, so we have all our models coming on now that you can see all the pieces together as one. And of course, let's remind everybody we can find you in Central Plaza, shop
Central
5.
Plaza, shop number 5.
And the prices aren't bad.
No.
You can go on your website.
Yes, www.dtsdesignsja.com.
And we can see everything on the website. And you can order on the website, or you can just go down to Central Plaza. Mind you, Jamaican folks, there is a discount for you in Jamaican prices. So don't be afraid of what you might see on the website. Go down and take a look yourself. All right, now we have some myths that we have to go through about swimsuits and swimwear and all of that good stuff. So the first one is never wear a white bathing suit.
No.
Obviously, that must be a myth because we see a white bathing suit right here.
And for a white bathing suit, once the outer layer has a nice texture and it's lined with a nice nude, it's definitely a go.
I love white.
Yeah,
everybody who know me know my favorite swimsuit is white. So I'm going to wear it like 6 or 7 times and it all over social media because I might not can wear it 10 times if I want. But I love white. So why do people think you can't wear white?
I think it's the
The sheerness of it?
Well, once it's lined, as I said properly, the sheerness of it won't really matter.
Okay.
But you have to be careful if you're drinking or where you're sitting, etc. with the white.
I guess. But then that's white for everything.
Yeah.
I went to Immaculate. I had 5 full years of white all the way through. I think I can manage a little white. Yeah. All right, next up, the more coverage, the better.
Well, first,
people have body issues and they want to cover
first I would say
them up.
dress comfortably. Dress in what you feel comfortable in. However, that's not necessarily true.
Suppose for example, you like me and you have stretch mark right here, so and you want to cover up the stretch mark.
Well, that's why I said dress comfortable with what you're comfortable in. But covering up doesn't mean it will look the same way.
Because for example, like
yeah, and for example, like a boy shorts, if it fits tight, it can exaggerate parts of your body that you don't want to exaggerate.
Lumps and bumps.
Right. Like a tie string bikini, you know, it lays flat on the skin and you can adjust it how you want to adjust
my thing is, you know, me not hide my stretch mark. No problem with them.
Be
don't
proud.
look at mine. Okay. Wear black to look slimmer.
That's not a myth. That's actually true. However, navy, plum, dark green, that does the trick as well.
Other dark colors will do the same thing.
And you can wear vertical line, diagonal lines.
So in other words, don't limit yourself to
don't limit to just black.
And other things that will look slimming, that will slim your body.
Make the body look leaner.
Awesome. And our last one is, with swimwear, you must buy the same size as you do in clothes.
No, with swimwear, I would suggest a size smaller. Because, yeah, because it's made to be snug to your body.
So I must buy a size smaller than small?
Yes, be extra small.
No, girl, it's like a choke.
Or you come to details and get it adjusted to your body type.
That's what I was hoping you would say. Custom-made swimsuits are always the best.
Yes.
If you can find someone who can measure your body and give you the swimsuit that fits you best, that is always the way to go. And make sure, say, when I hear swimsuit, you know, walk comfortably and walk out in the video like yours and your body. Thank you so much for stopping by, Danila. And thank you, models. You all look wonderful. And that was Danila Stone, owner of DTS Designs. We're going to take a break, but don't get anywhere because we'll have some food up next, I think. And my thing, a food or a dance, either way, we'll be right here. Don't go anywhere.